Watchbed Creek, Rocky Valley Reservoir. Haven't been here before, but we'll see if we can catch a trout or two at sunset. Let's see how these young fellas go. Normally get a trout in the first couple of casts quite often. See how we go. Hooked on the second cast using this little Tassie spoon. No, Tassie blade. Jumped and got off. I really think I'm starting to figure out why it's called Rocky Valley Reservoir. Gee, it's rocky up here. Holds lots and lots of little trout. Been here 20 minutes, already landed 2, had half a dozen bites. Just looking for a bigger one. Nice little creek over here. Should be able to pull out a couple of little ones. Not sure if it'll hold any biggies. Let's have a look. It's crystal clear, a little bit hard to be stealthy, a bit hard to fish here. Might get back into the main lake. Can hear a bit of a waterfall up here with a creek flowing in. Gonna see if I can make it up there. Oh boy, there's some quicksand around here, it's very hard going. See if I can get there without sinking in the quicksand. Got a little salter rigged up to the bait caster. See if we can give that a couple of flicks. I know where I'd like to go, but I don't know if the mud will hold me. Might see how soft it is going to that rock over there. I'm trying to get to at the head of this pool over here. Might actually give it a flick with the Tassie Blade, which they find irresistible. That's if I don't sink. As soon as the sun went over the horizon, these guys have gone nuts. Jumping everywhere, but they're only small. And they won't look at a lure now. Oh well, keep chucking. So many jumping, it's insane. Same over there. No one can hook one with a lure. The small trout are jumping out, catching flies, but they're not interested in lures. It's good to see though. Can't see any big rises amongst them, unfortunately. Not sure if you're seeing this, but there's literally dozens of little tiny trout all jumping out of the water at the same time. Very active little fellas. So as a last resort, I've tried this little floating minnow. Tried all sorts of spinners, blades, spoons, you name it. They won't have a go at anything. They won't have a go at minnows either. That's alright, they're all little ones. Caught a couple tonight. All good fun. That's it from Rocky Valley Reservoir, Falls Creek.